And
Happy birthday, Ruslan.
Could Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky eventually be replaced? Former Ukrainian Prime Minister Mykola Azarov has sparked fresh speculation, claiming Kyiv's Western backers may one day look for a less greedy and more accommodating leader if they decide the current course is no longer working.
Their position may change, as funding for Ukraine is becoming increasingly difficult to come by. While Kyiv used to receive hundreds of billions without any problems, now there have been long and tedious discussions about 90 billion.
In an interview with Russian media, Azarov argued that growing scrutiny of corruption allegations in Ukraine reflects increasing pressure from foreign partners. He claimed that as military and financial support becomes harder to secure, Zelensky's position could become more vulnerable to political shifts among Ukraine's allies.
Zelensky could be removed harshly with handcuffs, or he could be sent off somewhere with a golden suitcase or a golden parachute, and he'll have to live off the billions stolen from all those loans.
Azarov suggested two possible scenarios. In his words, Zelensky could be removed with handcuffs through legal proceedings, or exit politics with what he described as a golden parachute. He also floated the names of Parliament Speaker Ruslan Stefanchuk and former Speaker Dmytro Razumkov as possible successors, while stressing that personalities are not the main issue. For Azarov, the bigger question is Ukraine's future direction. The former Prime Minister argued that Kyiv should abandon its current wartime course, return to neutrality, and rebuild economic ties with Russia. There is no indication that any process to replace Zelensky is currently underway. The comments remain Azarov's personal assessment of how Ukraine's political landscape could evolve if foreign support dynamics change.
Пане Президент України Микола Володимирович Володимирович Україні продовжуємо проведення виступальної